In this video, I'll show you how to scan documents and upload them to Google Drive. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. The first thing you're going to do is open the Google Drive app on your phone. Then you're going to click on the plus icon that's going to be located on the bottom right, and you're going to select Scan Document. Once you do that, your phone is going to open your camera and you're going to position the document on the frame. You can also tap on the button so it can scan your document better, and you can adjust the corners just in case that's necessary. Once your document is ready, go ahead and click on Keep Scan, and that way your document is going to be saved. Then you click on Save. You can give your document a name. I'm going to go ahead and do that very quickly, and then I'm going to click on Done. And you can also select the location where you want your document to be saved. Once that's done, go ahead and click on Upload, and then your document will begin uploading to your Google Drive. As you can see, all my documents were saved on my folder, and to share them, all I have to do is click on these three dots right here, click on Share, and then add the email of the person that I want to send this document to. And that's it. After you do that, you're ready to go. Hope that helps.